35.
All right, go ahead. Good pit.
Hold on, stay.
Hands! Now! Hands!
What's your name?
Good.
Trey what?
No way.
That's what we thought.
You got your mats?
A-firm.
The Impala's possibly going west on Springmont.
CJ, get back in.
I think it's going to go north on Columbian from Springmont.
North on Columbian from Springmont. He's got the Impala. Copy. We're en route from Sullivan Peg. 190. We're going to be pulling up to that in a second. Just be advised that this car in the last 2 nights has been involved in firing shots at individuals. Male black, Trey Galloway. Female white, it's going to be Danielle Tomac.
Copy.
Should I hit Hiltonia?
I'm supposed to be physical sitting there just south of the alley, south of Sullivan.
Just south of the alley, south of Sullivan. I would just pull up and we'll just felony stop it. It's south of, no, he said it's parked just south of Sullivan on Columbian.
Sitting here at Sullivan. And the driver is Trey Galloway with female white is right in the
Perfect.
We're going to go west on Sullivan.
Okay, stop right here and just get looped around.
I see good cars in the air, gets spikes out. As it takes off, this will be a crew pursuit for discharging of different people over the past few nights.
Turn around right now. Just good. All right, we're turning around on it. It's taking off. It's going eastbound on Sullivan.
It's going to go west on Sullivan.
Stop
Sorry, westbound on Sullivan. It's kind of slow rolling. Northbound on Lechner. It's still taking off.
Copy. Northbound Lexington.
I think 4 cars are going to be authorized on those 2 occupants. They're supposed to be armed. There's 2 as is.
Eastbound on Doran. It's going to go northbound again now on Lechner. No traffic in the area. The speeds are about 40 mile an hour right now.
Coming up to Broad.
It's coming up to Broad, still northbound.
I think we get a chance there. Here's some one order. Let's pursue.
It has lost the front. We're going eastbound on Broad. It's lost the front right tire. Swerving around. Still light traffic. We're probably going about 50. Looks like they just tossed a gun. It's got a flashlight on. Right there on Broad. It's on the sidewalk on the south side. Just a little bit west of, a little bit east of Lechner. We're going 70 east now.
Copy 70 Easters out there. Freeway. Get the freeway shut down if we get spiked.
On the freeway, we're 75.
Attention, helmet number 2.
What was that? It was.
Do you notify them? Yeah, so they can monitor, please.
This has to go.
We're probably going 70 mile an hour right now.
Exactly.
Watch it, watch it.
5 on 5.
Negative. We'll call them.
They lost another tire.
83 mile an hour. We are staying pretty consistent in the hammer lane. Now he's drifting over to the middle.
Coming up to 70 south.
That's like, yeah, I'm on Broad. I got the 33 here.
Coming up to 71 south. Still staying on 70 east. Traffic's light, but we're rolling up on a few cars here. We are 85.
That's like correction. I've got the flashlight. I haven't located the 33. Let them find that, please.
Copy.
He's just talking about switching
And I've
sides.
got 33 on Broad also, please.
Got traffic coming up.
All right, we're coming up on some traffic. He's slowing down considerably. We're dropping down to probably 65 now.
We're at 50.
He's driving pretty reasonable. 55. We are still eastbound on 70, coming up to the 670 split.
Going into the right lane.
Slowing down, 45 mile an hour. I'm sorry, still eastbound. We're coming up to 4th Livingston. We can pit it.
You wanna put it?
Push number 4.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna try to pit here. We're going 35 mile an hour. Where's this collision shit?
Ready?
I'll press it if it fucks up, but yeah.
35.
All right, go ahead. Good pit.
Hold on, stay in. Stay in.
Oh, right here, right here. Hands! Now! Hands! Hands! Get it. He's trying to get out. Get the fuck out of the ground! Give me your hands! Give me your hands! Give me your hands! Give me your fucking hands! Give me your fucking hands! Other hand! Somebody cut that traffic off! I got a hand. Got a hand. Give me your fucking hand! Stop that car! Got the hand. I got him. Got the fucking hand.
There you go. Get that cup on.
Alright, hold on, guys. You guys are fighting me.
There you go.
Alright, it's all good, mate.
Search on his ass.
You're good now?
You done?
Done fucking around?
Here, property's coming out.
Yeah, boys. Nice call on that pursuit, too.
Oh man.
Sending you westbound here, Livingston.
What's your name?
Trey.
Trey what?
No way.
That's what we thought.
What happened?
Huh?
What's happening? You're under arrest, that's what's happening. No way. Please, no way. For what, bro?
Alright.
No way.
We have 170 east and 71 shut down.
What happened?
Dude, that car came so close to mailing us.
Who?
We have people on both
Got
sides.
hit in the side. Mid-watch.
Oh man.
Want to get him over the wall?
Let's
Let's put him this.
get him up, walk him over.
Let's get him this way.
Yeah, for now.
Stand up.
That's my ring.
Come on, Trey. Come on, dude.
My shoes, man.